This small inclined bed numerical control lathe uses a wide number of absolute value system. If the power is cut off, the coordinates can be memorized. Power on to continue processing. The spindle adopts a 2-bar 6 spindle, and a 3-jaw manual chuck can be upgraded to a 2-bar 6 spindle unit and hydraulic chuck. The form of the tool holder adopts a straight row tool holder, convenient tool installation and quick tool change. It can also be upgraded to an electric turret or a servo hydraulic turret. The guide is a linear guide. Precision moves quickly, and it uses an all stainless steel protective cover. Neat and clean